Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm looking at you, but it looks like I'm looking here. I'm filming from my phone, so I think with time we would improve. For today, I would like to demonstrate how to tie a flower wrap. So first of all, you would have your fabric. I am using a satin fabric today, and I have already worked on it. It has a loop in it. You can also use a simple fabric that you have. It's no problem, okay? We are going to do flowers, so we need loops. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold this into 3 parts, 2 tiny and 3. So I have 3 parts now, and I have the rest to tie. We have 1, 2, and 3. You need some elastic to secure it, and that would be good, making sure that it's really well secured. This is what's going to help you to get that flower-like look and feel for your head wrap. And now we are going to create the band. So I'm just adjusting so that I could have a width for my head that it's sizable, aesthetically looks and feel good. And this is it. You're going to wrap this around your head, and we need to secure this. I have a big safety pin here that I'm using, and what I love about this kind of pin is that it is safe. You know, you can secure it. The second step here is to move it behind the 3 folded pieces. So here we go. 1, you roll it behind so that you have that bulk, which we are going to cover up later on. But you just need this to be secured. Most importantly, it hides the safety pin that you've used. And we need to also pin this down. And here we go. I took for this a smaller one. You can still go ahead and use a bigger one. The most important thing is that it's pinned your hair down, so it's fixed, and voila, we have this fixed, pinned down. You can see the pin here, and we have this first pin which is entirely covered up. You don't see anything. So if I take a step back, we now see how it is. It's well secured. Okay, right now we are going to get to fluffing it out. We will see what to do with this afterwards, this bit. So now this is where your creativity, your creative mind comes in. Fluff it out like you want. Fluff. So we go with the first one. You can see my finger in there. And what you do, since it's folded, you're just going to fluff it out. I mean, pull it out gently to create that flower look. You know, it's already folded, so it's like that. You see, you pull it like that. Do you now get it? I feel I have pulled this out too much, so I'm trying to push it in a bit. You can continue fluffing it out and rearranging, but then this is entirely up to you. This part, I believe you can also pin it down, and that is what is going to move the flower from this hanging form to an upstanding form. Voila! So now you see, it looks like everything has been bulged out, and there you have it. A very simple yet stylish head wrap. Actually, it's a headband because this is a band, and you can style this any way depending on the fabric and the color that you use. You can style it beautifully. Let me know your comments and thoughts on the style. I hope you like it. Please leave your comments and thoughts, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm just starting out, and I hope this inspires you to try out creative and simple ways of tying your own head wrap and making it your own. Everybody has a unique style, so it's about making it your own. And this is the channel for it. I do not only show how to wrap or tie different head accessories, but also give you an inspiration on how you can style it to have that overall look and feel of a classy and a unique woman, because you are unique, my dear. Thank you, and see you in our next tutorial and head wrap inspiration. Bye.